Hello, welcome to the Moon Scarab channel. My name is Ramon. On this video, I want to share a collective tarot spirit reading with you. So let's get started. Card number 1 is the Six of Swords upright. This card is Mercury in Aquarius. The energy of Mercury is that of logic, of the mind, and intellect. Aquarius is associated with the figure of Ganymede from Greek mythology, chosen by Zeus for his grace and beauty. He is sold to Zeus by his father and asked to pour water and wine for all the gods. One day, he pours the water continuously, along with his tears of pain and grief, causing the earth below to flood and the cups of the gods to run dry. Zeus realizes Ganymede's pain and grants him immortality in the constellation we know as Aquarius. In this story, we see passion, grace, beauty, pain, and transcendence. And we see a very clear connection to water, which is often associated with emotions. While associated with water in mythology, in astrology, Aquarius is classified as an air sign and therefore associated with the mental plane, thinking, and intellect. In this way, a unique energy is found in Aquarius, the connection to water and the association with air, the flow of feelings and the intellect of the mind or consciousness, both particle and wave, emotion and thought. So this card represents a journey towards healing and transformation. It signifies leaving behind a difficult situation and moving forwards to a more peaceful and stable future. Your spirit guide wants you to know that you have the strength and resilience to overcome any challenges you might be facing. Trust in the process of healing and allow yourself to let go of the past, as better times are ahead. Card number 2 is the Three of Pentacles, upright, and it represents collaboration, teamwork, and importance of seeking help from others. This energy is Mars in Capricorn. In Capricorn, Mars is comfortable. It's exalted in this sign, which means the energies can provide many opportunities to gain strength and self-assurance. Your spirit guide wants you to know that you don't have to face your challenges alone. Reach out to those who can offer support and guidance. By working together, you can achieve greater success and create a solid foundation for your future endeavors. Card number 3 is the Nine of Pentacles, upright. This card is Venus in Virgo. Venus is about love and relationships, while Virgo deals with life's more practical matters. And it represents abundance, self-sufficiency, and enjoying the fruits of your labor. Your spirit guide wants you to know that you are on the right path towards achieving stability in earthly related matters and personal fulfillment. This can be health improvement, financial security, work stability, or any material related matters. Take pride in your accomplishments and continue to nurture your skills and talents. Embrace a sense of independence and self-reliance because it will bring you great satisfaction and contentment. I also have a Lenormand card for you, and this one is the Ship. In this context, this card represents the mental state of travel, an emotional, intellectual, or spiritual journey, a shift in mental perspectives, or an internal quest for spiritual enlightenment. So, in conclusion, your spirit guides want you to know that you have the strength to overcome challenges, the support of others to rely on, and the potential for abundance and fulfillment in your life. Embrace the journey of healing and transformation. Seek help when needed, and continue to cultivate your skills and talents. Trust in your own abilities and know that better times are on the horizon. If you need a stone to help you on this spiritual or mental journey, green aventurine is a great choice. Green aventurine is a soul soother. Green crystals make for great physical and spiritual travel companions as a heart chakra opener too, an energy booster. Green aventurine also works around confidence and prosperity, which is exactly the type of energy you want to be sending out and attracting when making a shift in your life. I hope this reading resonates with you, and if not, please share it with someone who might benefit from it. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and blessings to all.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and share it with someone who might benefit from it. And click the subscribe button for more future videos about tarot, divination, and other esoteric topics.